While solar panels and wind turbines are powerful generators of clean energy, their Achilles heel comes in the form of inconsistency. What is the use of a solar panel in the dead of night? What about remote areas where energy isn't accessible? That's where energy storage systems come into play. We got a call from a manufacturer of energy storage systems, and they posed a challenge. They needed a new way to fill their batteries with a complex electrolyte material. The trick was that the electrolyte demanded a process prior to the dispense to remove the dissolved gas that is undesirable in the final product. The GP Reeves team was ready to jump in and apply our expertise to this application. Our final system both degassed and dispensed the electrolyte material in a safe and efficient manner. Degassing is accomplished by filling a pressure vessel with material and then holding it under vacuum, removing any dissolved gas. The vacuum is then turned off and nitrogen is added to the chamber to pressurize the tank. When the second chamber is low on material, a low-level sensor will trigger the transfer of the degassed electrolyte from the first chamber into the second chamber. When the second chamber is filled, the connecting valve closes and the system is ready to dispense. An ultrasonic flow sensor monitors the flow rate of material, ensuring the proper amount of material is dispensed from the battery filling process. Simultaneously, the first chamber refills and begins the degassing process again. This allows for a continuous, efficient flow of material. Our system met and exceeded all goals. The material was properly degassed, ensuring no contamination was dispensed into the batteries. Our new process was significantly faster than expected, decreasing production time and helping the manufacturer to pave the way for a more sustainable future.